Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add your credit or debit card on Walmart app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to add your credit or debit card on Walmart app. We'll start by opening up our Walmart app. Once you open up our Walmart app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're going to see the 3 white lines. Tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Scroll a little bit down until you see where it says account. Make sure to tap on where it says account. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive on this main screen right here, look on where it says payment method. Right there, where it says payment right there. Make sure to tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure to look on where it says credit or debit card. And make sure to tap on where it says, make sure to tap where it has like the plus, the addition sign right there. So make sure to tap on where it says the addition sign. Tap on there. Then once you're done entering all your information, make sure to tap on the right bottom right hand corner where it says save. Tap on save there. Then you're gonna see your card right there. And that's how you add your credit or debit card on Walmart app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.